Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's check out how to update your Trim profile. Keeping your profile up to date in the Trim app ensures that your account stays secure and personalized to your financial goals. Let's walk through how to update it. First thing you're going to do is to open the Trim app and log in. So once you're on the main dashboard, tap on the menu icon, usually three lines or a gear icon in the top corner. From there, just go to settings or profile. In the profile section, you're going to see options to edit your name, email address, phone number, and sometimes your mailing address if, of course, you've enabled financial services like bill negotiation. To update a field, simply tap on it and make your changes, and then just tap save or update at the bottom of the screen. It's a good idea to make sure your email and phone number are always accurate, especially if you use alerts and notifications for things like overspending or suspicious activity. If you've changed your name or email recently, Trim may send a quick verification email or text to confirm the update. That's all it takes. Your profile is now up to date and ready to keep working for you. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to change your Trim password for extra security. So stay tuned to that. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next one.